Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain 5 technical questions from the CCNA exam. Let's look at the first question. The first question is about the SD-WAN architecture. In SD-WAN, which network node function is centralized on the controller? That is, routing decisions are made on the controller, meaning that all routers no longer need to make routing decisions themselves. Instead, the controller issues the decisions. The correct answer is C. Let's look at the second question. The second question says, when a user logs into a network device using this username and password, which type of security process will be triggered? Well, authentication is the most basic one. As for the others below, auditing, accounting, and authorization, since the question is asking about username and password, it must be authentication. So for this one, and since it's a single choice question, just pick authentication, which is option A.
Let's pause for a short announcement. Friends, if you're currently preparing for this ITification exam, or if you've been studying for a while but don't feel your preparation is very efficient, this is something you shouldn't miss. Our team has been focused on its certification dumps for 16 years, doing one thing consistently, organizing the most up-to-date, most exam-accurate, and easiest to use dumps to help candidates pass their exams more efficiently. Our dumps closely follow official exam updates. They are stable, highly accurate, and well aligned with real exam questions, allowing you to prepare with more confidence while spending less time. If you'd like to get the dumps for this exam and pass the certification faster, you can contact us directly via WhatsApp or YouTube private messages. We're happy to explain the latest update dates, dump stability, exam policies in different countries, as well as any current purchase discounts. Everything is clear and transparent before you decide. We also place great importance on payment security and privacy protection. The entire purchasing process is simple and secure, with no unnecessary data collection. Your personal information and privacy are fully protected. In addition, we provide 24/7 consultation and after-sales support, whether you're just getting started or running into issues right before the exam. Our support team will patiently and professionally help you analyze and solve problems. You're never preparing alone. Beyond this specific exam, our dumps cover almost all major IT certification tracks. If you plan to pursue other IT certifications in the future, feel free to reach out anytime. We'll give recommendations based on your goals.
All right, now for the third question. In the third question, there's a scenario. It says, referring to the diagram, the engineer must take 2 steps. This is a multiple choice question. 2 steps to ensure that the credentials from LACP credentials provide the highest level of encrypted authentication. Select 2 correct answers. So at layer 2, Layer 2 corresponds to option C. For Layer 2 security, we choose WPA or WPA2, and for wireless, at Layer 2, select this option. Then for option D, select this one. From the Authentication Key Management section, check the option for 802.1x authentication. Right? 802.1x is the correct answer, so the correct choices are C and D. All right, let's look at the next question, question 5. As for question 4, this question is about WPA3. It asks which enhanced feature WPA3 implements, and in this case, there isn't this AES option A, so here we choose the protection against brute force attacks. Right? It specifically strengthens and emphasizes this defense feature, option B. All right, question 5. Question 5 mentions this SW1. Let's take a screenshot of this diagram. It says that this device, SW1, provides connectivity for the meeting room and must be securely configured. The engineer must restrict the connection between PC1 and the networks of SW1 and SW2. That is, only allowing MAC. The MAC address is limited to 2. Limited to 2 MAC addresses. Right? The maximum MAC limit is 2. It's written here, look. It must be limited to 2, right? If it's 2, then only this one. This answer is correct, right? Then it asks which of the following configurations is correct. Then we have interface G1-0-15, which is this interface 1-0-15. Then configure switch port, then port security, right? Port security, and then set it to learn a maximum of 2 MAC addresses. So the correct answer is A. Let's look at the correct answer. If you want to learn Cisco technologies or get the Cisco question bank, please send me a private message. You can also leave a comment below the video for technical discussions.